Environment variables are the backbone of container configuration. In Kubernetes, you have 5 different ways to pass them to your pods. Let's break down each approach. The simplest method is the env field in your container spec. You define an array of name-value pairs directly in your pod YAML. Each entry has a name and a value. This works great for static configuration that doesn't change between environments. It's explicit, easy to read, and perfect for simple use cases. For configuration that changes between environments, use ConfigMaps and secrets. ConfigMaps store non-sensitive data like feature flags or API endpoints. Secrets store sensitive data like passwords or tokens. Both live as separate Kubernetes resources. You reference them in your pod spec using valueFrom. This decouples your configuration from your deployment manifests, making your apps portable across environments. The valueFrom field is powerful. It lets you pull a single value from a config map or secret by specifying the key. You can also use it with fieldref to inject pod metadata like the pod name, namespace, or IP address. This is called the downward API, and it's useful when your app needs to know about its runtime environment. If you need to load all keys from a config map or secret at once, use envFrom instead of env. Instead of mapping each key individually, envFrom imports every key value pair as an environment variable. This saves you from writing repetitive YAML when you have many variables. Here's an example using fieldref. You set valueFrom with fieldref pointing to metadata.name. Now your container can access its own pod name as an environment variable. Perfect for logging or service discovery. In summary, Kubernetes gives you 5 ways to inject environment variables: direct env fields, config maps, secrets, valueFrom for selective injection, and envFrom for bulk loading. Master these patterns and your deployments will be clean, secure, and portable. Practice this question out loud, and you'll nail your next interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.